everybody, and welcome to Junetober 2026. I'm your host, Elizabeth at Petals and Parchment. On behalf of Lottie's Magic Attic, Crafty Dragon Creations, Emily Designs, and myself, we would love to welcome you to the 3rd annual Junetober. This is the halfway point to October and Halloween, and we just can't wait that long. So Junetober was created to celebrate all things spooky mid-year. Junetober is approaching fast, and we're so excited we have a new format for you. There's complete details at Lottie's Magic Attic on YouTube. You can watch the video and get all caught up. We have a link tree making things easy for you to follow along, and I wanted to make sure and show you my kit ahead of time as it goes on sale soon for 31% off for the entire month of June. Be sure to check out the kits of all 4 creators and watch the YouTube hop, decode the cipher, and learn a ton of cool junk journaling tips and tricks along the way. Here's a sneak peek at my kit, and I hope you like it.
Perched above the stormy cliffs of the North Yorkshire moors, Wickmoore Manor stood shrouded in fog, ancient trees, and the silence of a centuries-old graveyard. Behind its ivy-covered walls lived the Wickmoore family, Lord Westley, a quiet scholar devoted to his home, Lady Evangeline, warm and graceful, Edmund, the thoughtful heir, Eleanor, endlessly curious, and little Elsie, adored by all. Alongside them lingered Mercy, their watchful black cat, and Brutus and Blade, the loyal Dobermans who guarded the estate faithfully. One cold evening, the family gathered in the great hall for music, books, and candlelight, unaware that the manor's well had been poisoned by an unseen sickness. The tainted water worked swiftly and without pain, stealing the family gently into eternal sleep together, their beloved pets never leaving their side. By morning, Wickmoore Manor remained untouched, no shattered windows, no signs of struggle, only an eerie stillness that settled over the estate like a final breath. But the Wickmoores never truly left. Bound not by vengeance but by love, they rose again as pale wraiths wandering the halls they cherished. Westley's ghost still turns pages in the library after midnight, while Evangeline's lullabies drift softly through the nursery. Edmund patrols the battlements, Eleanor slips through hidden passages in flickers of light, and Elsie's laughter echoes faintly through the corridors. Mercy watches from shadowed windowsills while the spectral hounds pace silently at dusk. And so Wickmoore Manor waits in silence upon the cliffs, untouched by time, as though patiently waiting for the day a new family crosses its threshold. Unaware they may not be alone within its walls,